Hello Instagram users. In this video, we'll be showing you how to tag someone in a picture on Instagram on your Android device. This is a great way to give credit or recognition to the people in your photos and increase engagement on your posts. To get started, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap the plus button located at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. Select the picture you want to post and tap Next. From there, you can edit your photo and add a caption before moving on to tagging people in the photo. To tag someone in the photo, tap Tag People located at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on the person in the photo that you want to tag. Enter their name or username in the search bar at the top of the screen. Instagram will provide a list of suggestions based on the text you type, so select the person you want to tag from the menu. Once you've selected the person you want to tag, tap Done located in the top right corner of the screen. The person will now be tagged in the photo and their username will appear over the photo. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to tag someone in a picture on Instagram on your Android device. It's important to remember that people may not want to be tagged in your photos, so always ask for their permission before tagging them. Also, remember to give credit where credit is due, and tag the people who are in your photos. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Instagram and other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey there.